See, the problem is I want to get this on here because of the fact that it's been freaking raining. And I haven't had a good day. To get it on here. Wet. Keep moving. Good Lord, come on. I'm killing my piece here. Okay. Fantastic. Right where I was when I started. Okay. Get off from my thing. Give me some traction here. Whoa. I sat right on this thing. I'm getting to pull back up. There we go. Maybe. Alright. Get together. Okay. Get a chance to figure out. There it is. Okay. Where's the other? Got another batch here somewhere. Alright. Get out there, give me enough on one side. I'm losing my light. Once it's down, it's down. It's down, it's down. The seal is good no matter whether it gets wet again or not. Hey. Okay. We go. That cap will go on. A little bit left. One more piece. Unfortunately, I don't have it ready yet. I don't have it ready yet. You. Oh man, wish I had. Wish I put that cap down. Can't put the cap down yet. Okay, this can stay up here, hide it under there for now. Okay. Damn. So close. Try and put the cap up tomorrow night. And the issue I have right now is going to be putting the cap on here and making sure it's. I'd be doing equivalent another furling across the top, but I think it's going to roll right over just enough, and then I can put screws across, and I can put tar on top of them, and I think that'll be good. I think that'll work. I'm running out of light. I need to have light so I can put the screws on each one of the overlaps. Well, no, actually, on every single one of the risers here. Okay. What are you doing to me? My rope. Alright, here we go. Descend. Okay. That's good. Now, get the tarp one more time. The reason I want the tarp is because it's covering the peak. What the hell happened with that one? So it's losing it real quick, like. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is like day number 8. I'm getting on that roof. Oh, now you're gonna blow it back over again. What the heck? Stayed on the other side for a while, so we had no wind. Now I got wind kicking in again, and I'm gonna get that peak on today. I got a new piece that I just cut. It's going up there today. I got an extra one. No, you're over there. Alright, we're gonna get up there. Get this closed up today. Because I want to be done. Done. It's about 45 degrees today. But it's nice and sunny. Little bit of wind, not too much. But I can live with it. I can deal with it. I want to get this done today. Then those in. And in there. What else? Okay, get that net. Okay. Give me some gloves. I'm even thinking I want to put that ladder on the other side. Wait a minute. Is this it? Yeah, 60. Oh, actually, it's not it. This is a spare, I think. Yeah. I can't believe I done lost it. That's what I got. It was 16 by 24. That's it. Yeah, not that big. This is it. There we go. And I think I discovered that I'm going to be able to use that on the roadside. That's going to face the road. Yeah, good. Harp, stay over the other side. Be good. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta go get my drill. I jumped ahead of myself in there. Woohoo!